What's up everybody? Ben Levy here, aka Fire Breathing S2K. So last video I did 5 things I hate about my S2000. So I thought why not today? I'll do things I love about my S2000, and I'm pretty sure it's more than 5. But yeah, let's get straight into the video.
I'm finally coming down. I fell in love with the madness. We're still staring at the sun now. I'll find peace when I'm on the ground.
Okay guys, so I was filming on the top floor, and of course Florida started drizzling a little bit. But anyways, going to continue back to the video just underneath the parking garage. And so yeah, let's continue. Okay guys, so number 1 thing that I love about this car is going to have to be the looks and how aggressive and how everything is put together with the colors, the red, the carbon, the wheels. The front is so like smooth and flat. Even that stuff in stock, I like that, but with the wide body, it even like enhances the look. And the open fender just looks insane with the wide body, the back and the front, the rims, the brakes. It just comes all together so nicely and looks crazy, especially in the rear with the carbon fiber diffuser and the carbon trunk. One of my favorite things on the car, the duct lift, like the molded duct lift carbon, just looks incredible with the LED lights in the front and LED in the lights in the back. I just think this car looks absolutely awesome. That's gonna have to be the first thing that I love about this car. So next up, number 2 thing that I love about this car will have to be the interior. Now, I got this interior actually like how it came. This is how it came. I did not touch it. It has the red and black. I think it just looks amazing. Matches the car, obviously. Dash is just insane. Like, it literally looks like straight out like a street bike or like an F1 car, something like that. Very race inspiring. Literally just showing the RPMs from 1 to 9,000 RPM red line. The whole setup, the whole cockpit right here makes you feel like everything is for you. Well, everything is actually for you. There's literally nothing for the passenger. There's the engine start volume. Everything is towards you, which is awesome. But that's not even the things that I really love. The things I love is the driving position, how everything's towards you. Super comfortable also. And I'm smaller. I'm not as tall, so it's perfect for me. But yeah, I just love the interior and how it fits you perfectly like a glove. Number 3 thing I love about this car is going to have to be the Craftsworks Supercharger. I love this thing, guys. It sounds absolutely insane, and it just really changed the personality of the car. Like, it gave it what it was missing, and honestly, it looks really good in the engine bay. It just seems like it should have came like this from the factory, and I absolutely love it so much. And yeah, it sounds absolutely insane, and I just love it. Okay guys, so we got kicked out of the parking garage. Apparently it's like private property or whatever, so I'm not allowed to film there. Even though I filmed there before, but I guess not, so no problem. Thankfully, I stopped raining so I could continue the video outside. I'm here at Vista View Park, and yeah, let's continue the video. So number 4 on the list that I love, the things that I love about this car is going to have to be the driving experience. Now this car is different. So I'm editing the video and it's extremely windy in this part, so what I was saying was that the driving experience was the thing that I loved here, and I think the wind gets better, so we'll continue. Feel like you're part of the car. I'm gonna obviously throw in some clips of the GoPro, like a POV video, and you'll just see like how engaging the car is, the stick shift, and then plus I have the Supercharger kit on it, which is insane and like adds on to it even more. Like the ultimate driving experience. This car is literally meant just for fun. They built it so you'll have the most fun possible. It's the top things that I love about this car. It has to be the driving experience. And so number 5 on things that I love about this car, the exhaust and the flames and sounds that this car makes. So I have the Skunk 2 headers, then my cats are decatted, so I have no cats. And then I have the Skunk 2 dual exit exhaust, and it just sounds insane. It shoots a lot of flames. burbles on downshift, pops and flames in between shifts. And I have two-step on it. It's just overall the best thing I possibly could have asked for the sound of this car. By far, one of my favorite things on the car has to be the exhaust. For number 6 on the list, the attention and the craziness this car gets out of people. I could be driving anywhere and car people will come up to me and be like, oh my god, this is so nice, this is so clean. So it just gets insane amount of attention. Even from people that don't know what this car is will say like, wow, this car sounds awesome, this car looks awesome. And they have no idea what this car is, because honestly, it's hard to tell for people that don't really aren't into cars, because this car is obviously discontinued and this car looks a little bit different than the stock S2000. A lot of good feedback I do get from this car, so that's really one thing that I love about it. And even a cop stopped by me and gave me a thumbs up and says, oh, nice car and stuff. So it's nice to see that people can appreciate something that you took time and built. Alright guys, so those are some of the things that I really love about my Honda S2000. But the video is not going to end right now. I'm going to put on the GoPro and just do a little bit of driving. Nothing too crazy, but some POV driving to finish up today's video. So hot today. I'm probably getting so many weird looks right now. It's fun because I could drive this car, I could mash the throttle and stuff, and I don't need to be going too fast because the supercharger won't really kick in until later. So I could just drive it like a naturally aspirated car, you know. A lot of people also asking me what this is. It's by Whiz Gear. You can order it on Amazon. You just get a magnet on your phone and then you stick it right there and it's perfect. Okay guys, so I just got home. I am tired. It's so hot outside, so just being outside for a long time was tiring. But this video was a lot of fun to make. I hope you guys liked the ending with the POV driving. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you guys like this video. It'll help me out a lot. Comment and subscribe for more awesome videos with my S2000 and more cars. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.